High energy agriculture, located in Marana, Arizona, is an incredible example of what sustainable, regenerative farming looks like in the desert. Here in the desert, crops just aren't grown, they're cultivated with purpose. From building living healthy soil to using water-smart techniques designed for a climate, the team at High Energy is proving that you can grow incredible food while giving back to the land. But what really makes high energy agriculture special is the people. Not just farmers, they are educators and innovators who show up every day with passion, resilience, and a vision for a better food future for our community. And we're especially excited because we'll be using their delicious, freshly harvested salad greens in this week's recipe. Trust me, you're gonna taste the difference. So without further ado, let's get into this week's recipe, taco salad. All right, now it's time for the taste test. Gosh, that is so good. The combination of the beans, the corn, the cheese especially is really, really great in there. But also the citrus from the dressing, that little 1 tablespoon of lime juice that we put in with our sour cream, a little bit of salt and salsa, is really good in this. I was wondering because it's such a big portion of salad greens that this would be enough dressing for it, and it's just right. It doesn't overwhelm it, but you still get all of that flavor, and I especially love the crunchiness of the tortilla chips. That's why we put them in at the very end, because we don't want them to get soggy. We want them to be nice and crunchy, and they work really well in this. And this is a big salad. I'm gonna be able to eat this for quite a bit, so really, really delicious. Thank you so much for joining us today and learning about the incredible work happening at High Energy Agriculture. Their commitment to regenerative farming and community health is truly inspiring, and we're so grateful to be using their amazing salad greens in this week's recipe. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who cares about good food and a healthier future for our community. I love, appreciate, and respect all of you, and I will see you right back here next week with another delicious recipe, more community stories, and more ways we can cook, learn, and grow together. So until then, peace. Bomb. What a great idea.